another Walkaround Wednesday, everybody. Today I have a very special treat for you. I'm going to show you the 2019 M2 Comp. So we have the new edition style comp wheels, 19s, big M Sport brakes behind it. Now, what's very special about this car, it's wrapped in all of our carbon fiber accessories, almost every single one that you can get. You have your carbon fiber mirror caps. Down below we have your carbon fiber winglets. And then come on around to the back, we have your carbon fiber rear spoiler and your carbon fiber rear diffuser. M2 also has competition badges that are significant to the car. Now this one is sporting the Hockenheim Silver, which is a 2019 brand new color. And inside we have the orange stitching attached with the black seats. Now I could talk about tech all day long, but you're probably all wondering what powers this beast. So let me pop the hood for you. Underneath the hood, what's better about this model than its last 2017-2018 model is they give you the S55 engine, which is also seen in the F80 M3 and the M4. Back with 401 horsepower, just ready to rock. So now remember, this is the S55. Sorry headphone users. So what makes this M2 so special, in 2019 BMW added the M2 Competition. It's the only model you can get for the M2 now. They did a facelift, they gave you sharper kidney grills, they gave you new air inlets right here on the bottom. And this one in particular has executive package, which is pretty much everything that you can get in this car. And it has adaptive LED headlights, automatic high beams, and inside we have standard Apple CarPlay, we have Wi-Fi hotspot, and we also have wireless charging. So now that you've seen the M2 and the exterior, new paint, talked to you about the specs, let's drive the car. So today we're equipped with the 7-speed DCT transmission, but you can also get a 6-speed manual in this car. So we have a nice straightaway here. And I want to feel all the 405 horsepower of this thing. This car is a blast. I've driven the old M2, but this is my first time driving the M2 Comp, and I gotta say, it feels way more like an M. I mean, I've driven M3s, and you could always tell that difference between the two. This is everything that you need right here. Last model, 2017, 2018's M2s, you didn't have the engine adjustments or the steering adjustments. Now in this one, you do. Last model you had the sport button push up, just like the standard cars. It also has an active M differential, so when you're cornering and giving it acceleration, it really knows what to do. So an active M differential automatically adjusts the limited slip for you, which makes a big difference in handling, big difference in acceleration too. manual car, but I gotta say, the pedals, DCT, it shifts so quick and goes 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. One of the other things that the last M2 didn't have either was your M1 and M2 buttons here in the steering wheel. Now these let you adjust, they give you presets for your engine, your suspension, your steering, your traction control. It gives one click at the touch of a button. So your M1 could be like your Sunday drive, going and getting coffee, nice and calm, if you will, in efficient mode or sport mode. And then you can take that M2 when someone wants to race you at a red light, you slap it into M2, turn the traction control off, and just go at one push of a button, which I felt was needed in this car. So personally, that was my first time driving the M2 Cup, and I can't control the smile on my face. This car is amazing, and they really don't come around that often. Come see us, 746 Danbury Road in Ridgefield. Be happy to take you for a drive.